Training's going well, yeah? But who are these two young lads, the ones with the locks? Did they sneak into the camp?
Well, coach at Burrell and Campbell in. Are you pick them?
I chose them.
You ain't been on the bench?
They've been on the bench this whole time. What formation should we play today?
What is? Bruh. What is?
Yo, man them. How we coach there?
Hey lad, I'm here.
Coach, where do all the way up there, sir?
Relax. I have a way better vantage point from up here. Hey, Shama. It's Steve. No, not Stevie Wonder, you idiot. Steve, your coach. No, I'm not calling you about a call-up. We already have a striker in the team that hasn't played football in months. We don't need you. I'm tired of these Jamaicans, yeah? Mason this, Mason that. Get me a Mason. Or perhaps not. I got them a Mason, didn't I? Was it the right one? No, but I got them a Mason. Work at what you have, damn it. We need to win this game. Well, 5 in defense should do it.
Pull it on.
Let me make this absolutely clear. No position is guaranteed on this team. Anyone can come off the bench, well, except for
So coach, you like watch the video and come up with a tactic and game plan for the team, eh?
Lad, relax. We just played them last week. A simple beating that. How is it I can barely get 2 consistent games from you? Listen, you barely remember the ball. You barely can beat a defender. You barely a scorer. I know I'm the coach, yeah? I'm supposed to motivate, yeah? I'm supposed to make you better, yeah? But the whole lot of y'all are not as good as people think you are. As a matter of fact, I'm not that good either. But listen, I'm focused on you guys today. Yeah? The whole lot of y'all won't listen to blows. Now listen, babes, I don't know how much longer I can do this. No, these mans are sending up my blood pressure. I need the help, Father God. The great Bruce Lee once said, yeah? Be like water. Today's formation will be like water. It will be all over the place.
God have mercy upon us.
They say Isaac is out. Yeah. We really need somebody for CDM, yeah? We really need divine intervention, yeah? Cause I searched all over, couldn't find no man. I looked high and low. We have the easiest group in the qualifiers, yeah? But tell me why I'm nervous, eh?
What do you have to say to all the naysayers out there who say you must lose your job?
I've heard it all, yeah? I've heard the naysayers. I've heard all the arms outs that want to get me out a little piece of work, yeah? But listen, them a go tired face in my face, but them can't get me out of the race.